Here's a little different video than I'm usually doing. Let's do an unboxing of a vintage Emerson TCX 53 deluxe AM FM portable radio with cassette and 8-track, 3-way power. There's another video out there. It's just someone busting one out of a used box. Of course, you can see this one's in the original box, and I kind of peeked. They told me it was never used, and it sure looks like it. The museum, what was it? Radio Museum. Said 1975. We'll see if there's some documentation here to show how old it is, but there's no barcode on the box. So that is a little indicator there. So we got the owner's manual. Pretty clean. Believe it or not, this was a $20 marketplace find. Wow, a schematic in the owner's manual? That's crazy. Safety, no one cares. Authorized service center, kind of also unheard of nowadays. Kind of a boombox form factor. What do we got there? Western Auto. I think it says $99.98. Holy cow, that's a lot of money for one of these. But it looks pretty mint. The chrome is real nice, and you still got your little label on there. 3-way power. Emerson, model number Secaucus, New Jersey. I can't really figure out a date or anything from any of these numbers. Pretty mint in there. Serial number 03925. Yeah. It's a date code. It's kind of cosmic to me. I'm thinking let me get a cord and try it out. Alright, got the cord on. Let's fire this thing up. It's a little weird. The volume and the on button or knob are the same. So we'll crack it and see if it turns on.
Warning its final timeout. Should they get the ball back, they could utilize it.
Not bad.
It's Thunder basketball.
It's to see Drake.
Big time stuff. First appointment, and the quality of life will change.
With nerve renewal now, our non-invasive treatments are covered.
Sounds pretty good. I'll turn it off so I don't get a copyright strike, but a little scratchy on the volume, but not bad sounding really for how old this could be. I'm going to stop this for a second, grab a tape to try. Alright, let's crack open a tape. See if this thing will play. No, that's the other side. I'm sure we don't have a... Uh-oh. Well, there goes my Merle Haggard tape. And I've got a pen I can borrow. Alright, let me get this figured out. Try it again. Alright, let's try this side. I got it wound up. I don't know if it's going to eat it again, or might be a little gummy in there from setting. I don't know if they kept it in climate controlled or... Let's check it. Oh, that's a fail. I just want to see if the head works. No, that's going to be needs work. Tried another tape, same thing, so it must be gummed up in there or something. Let's try the 8-track. Alright, we'll let it go a sec. It didn't need it. It's been a while since I used one. I thought you could change the tracks, or maybe it did automatically. Foam feels pretty decent in there. I'm going to try a different one. So, at least we know the head works. Again, might be gummed up or something. You heard the sound, but pretty cool either way. Not bad, 20 bucks. TCX 53. It looked, I mean, you guys be the judge, right? Someone could have packed it back in the bag and wrapped it all up and put the, you know, but who really would have done that? I'm guessing it was open box. No one paid the crazy price. It was put in the shelf a million years ago, and there it sat until the lady sold it to me. But anyways, I'm going to have to open it up, address that cassette issue and that sound. Like I said, I'm sure it's just gummed up belt. Sometimes they melt a little bit or something like that. But anyways, hope you enjoyed.